come to our 3-day conference, 4-day practice. Let's start our roll call attendance. We have our chairman, Engineer Carmelo Lucido. Our provisional member for compliance, Engineer Manalo. Our end user for construction project, Engineer end user for maintenance section, Engineer Rizal Arano. From our contractors representative, we have Ms. Romana Santana, representing Levy Construction, Mr. Ayadimo for JA Builders. Mama Chairman, based on our attendance sheet, you may go.
Good afternoon. Sandali lang dali. Itong multi-purpose building nila, may kwarto ba? Meron sila, dito sila. Alam na nila na, hindi ba? Good afternoon. Sir, we'll start, no? Our reading conference is for this following project, sana. But the construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Paul, Barangay Juliana, was done just this morning because there was a complaint from the Maliki side, Focus Maliki. They are not amenable to the program or plan. So siguro Revise talaga.
Hindi po majority.
Ayaw nila.
Ano ang design cancer? Because,
In respect kasi nila is overboard, but the barangay captain requested for another purpose. The multi-purpose building siya, pero the fund was intended for overboard. But as per the barangay, they validated, they requested for office building.
So, siguro matagal pa yun. It will take time. So, the second project is the replacement of concrete pavements along secondary roads and mga single the approved budget of 2,309,959.7 pesos. The contract duration is 3 Sana next time tayo muna magbigay ng details bago sila pasaya sa So, discuss natin even yung mga markups, yung mga house, yung bunkhouse, yung equipment, para alam na nila, hindi tayo para na kasi nandun na sa minutes natin, ngayon talaga ang gusto natin. Okay? I-discuss natin. Sino ba?
So ito po yung mga the following items for this project. Placement of concrete pavements along secondary road, Zamboanga City, Bulacan, Tulipapay, selected tracks with operation at the targeted section. So one will have the A1. Hindi lang. Okay. Well, first we have A.1.1.13 construction of built office. So for this first item, we have the breakdown here. Yes, bunkhouse. Hindi, marami lang ito ma.
Lapos lang.
Yung standard natin.
Standard, yes.
Basta it will amount to
Amounted to 70, for the sa adjusted na 72,599.85. So with the second item,
So wala yung mga chairs,
meron
Sa provision siguro.
provisions.
Provision.
yung pa na naman. One will have the two intestine rough concrete flooring at CR, then the wooden frame wall studs, then plywood siding, wooden flooring, wooden truss and parlings, GI sheet roofing, wooden flush door, sweep type window, intermittent wire, sanitary. And then we have the A1.1.11 provision of furnitures or fixtures, equipment, appliances for field engineers or for field office for the engineers. So we have the office facility here, office facilities. The following are wooden office table, monoblock backrest chair, with whiteboard, 6-seater dining table, plastic pail, plastic top, plastic drum with cover. Then we have project billboard or signboard. Yun yung tarpaulin na 8x8. Dalawa yan siya, isa yung sa TOA. And then we have the occupational safety and health program. Ang bali siya, 31 month. Then we have these materials of the first aid kit and the PPE. Then traffic management, since project man siya, so kailangan yung natin traffic management dito. So we have the signage and barricades in the polar.
Paano ba yan? The usual.
Yes, po ma'am.
Kita talaga?
Visible.
Yung sa natin, sir, di ba?
Pwede na yan sa basta nandun niya.
Then the mobilization and demobilization. Then ito na po yung mga major items. Removal of actual structure or obstruction. And yung existing natin is nasa point complete na niya PCCP. And then the roadway excavation. Then subway preparation. And we need some base course. And then the 311, yung PCCP, point 2818. Yun po. Yung usual na natin yung routine work.
Yung mga markups na rin.
Markups is lang siya, nasa medium naman siya. So yung 15 yung 1 month. O si, yes, 15. O si L and then yung traffic. Then yung sabi natin, yung sa for ABC. Wala mga question.
Any question?
Any question?
Siguro ang contractor lang ang player.
Yeah.
So possible parang nakikita ko sa ito kasi AKC. Nahirap sa AKC. Ha? JA, sa? JA builders, so parang ganyan ko na ako.
So, anong paano niyo gusto? You're interested in the project?
Pulyaran.
Pulyaran.
Pulyaran. One change of design schedule.
Anything more?
Any clarification from the
Yun lang. When will be the
August 7, okay.
hindi siguro namin ako?
school building will be tentative schedule
Ayos.
because the performance advice na lang ay change in the process of the design.
Ayos sa sana.
Sa Pulyaran. Depende yung sa yung sa wala rin kang data.
I-add na lang natin direct sa ating ministry yung mga requirements for dapat merong certified Sugabi,
Pages,
ang dami,
all pages, pagination.
so okay na. No more questions. So, we will adjourn.